It was so funny. You should have been there. I'm looking forward to lunch. My hot dog looks a little plain. It does. Oh, I know. Have some ketchup. Thanks. Ugh. Ketchup water. Why does this always happen? Do you want some? I'm good. Granny, I want food. There you go, dear. What's this? Ugh, I'm not eating that. Is that even food? It looks like wallpaper paste. I guess I'm going hungry. How is it, honey? It's delicious. I'll give it a try. I hope it tastes better than it smells. Ugh, yuck! It's the worst! There's no way I'm eating this. Need to get rid of this. At least I can have some fun. See ya! Oh, good shot! Whoa! No! That didn't sound good. Are you okay, Granny? Don't play with your food! Eat it! Great. What am I gonna do now? I could make Granny something to eat. That's a great idea! I'll put this cardboard heart on the pan. I'll hold it in place while I pour over the egg whites. Now I'll let the whites cook. Okay, I think that's it. I have to remove the cardboard. I just need to cut around it. I don't want to cut any egg white. Then carefully lift it off. Now I'll put in the egg yolks. Using a syringe makes it more precise. I'll just fill the heart with them. Now to let it cook. It smells delicious. Hey, Granny. I made you some food. Aw, honey. It's wonderful. Thanks, sweetie. It looks too good to eat. Steady. Okay, I can do this. That looks cute. I've got your drink. Nice and easy. Thanks. Phew, I made it. Here you go. I'll just pour it for you. Oops! Oh no! I'm so sorry! Be careful. I'm outta here. Come back! I knew I should have never taken this job. I don't have the balance. I should quit. No, that's not the right attitude. I need some training. Let's do this. No fear, no mercy. Be one with the tray. It's all about balance. My mind is still. My tray is still. I am the tray. No pain, no gain. My training is complete. Here goes. I hope there's no accidents this time. Your soda. Allow me. I put the glass over the bottle. Then flip it. If I lift the glass slowly, it won't overflow. All that training has paid off. I did it. Wow. I'm impressed. Enjoy your soda. Oh, morning already? I'm so tired. Well, I suppose I better make breakfast. Eggs seem like a good idea. Wait. Something doesn't seem right. Oh, I definitely need more sleep. It's fine. I'll have some tea. I can't mess this up. Oh, my eyes are so heavy. Huh? I'm awake? What happened to the tea bag? Aw, come on! That's better. I need this. Ah, that's so good. I need some sugar. Ugh. I should go back to bed. I'll have some candy instead. This'll cheer me up. If I could open it. Open up! Why is this happening? Fine, I'll make something instead. Oh, ramen! My favorite! This can't go wrong. Whoa! No! What a day! Wait! I have an idea! I'll cut a flap in the ramen packet. Oops, I better remove the sauce. I'll sprinkle over the seasoning. And add hot water. It smells so good! Yummy! Who needs a bowl? This is so difficult! I'll pick this one. I'm looking forward to this. That tastes amazing! Okay, it's just a chocolate bar. Settle down, class. Hey! Is that chocolate? You know the rules! Seriously? I thought that was a bad joke. No food allowed. I mean, how could you not know that? Get rid of it. Okay. And the rest? But that's such a waste! Fine. Happy? You can't fool me. Empty your bag. This is so unfair. I'm not convinced. Something's not right here. I've no idea what you're talking about. Just as I suspected. What? How did you do that? It belongs in the garbage. Busted. Why are you so happy? You need this. It's so tasty. What are you doing? It's candy! I'll show you my secret. Remove the eraser from a pencil. Then slide a straw over the pencil. Cut the rest of the straw off, leaving a small piece above the pencil. Next you'll need a candle. Heat a gummy bear over the candle. Use a metal spoon for this. Wait until the gummy bear is completely melted. Then pour the gummy liquid into the straw. Try not to spill any. Wait for the gummy liquid to set. Then remove the straw. Whoa! Let me have a pencil! Thanks! Wow, that's good! Are you eating erasers? Can you do that? Ugh! I don't understand school kids. This is gonna be a great party! Wow, it looks so good! It'll be so much fun! Do you want a drink? Ooh, pink lemonade! Nice! Ugh, I can't open it! My dentist is gonna hate me! Ouch! What? I wanna drink it! That's not gonna work! This is starting to get annoying! This is stupid! I'm not giving up! There must be a way to open the bottle! Ugh! What are you doing? Give me the bottle. Watch this. Ready? What? How? Here you go. Wow! But mine isn't open. Oh well. Cheers! Try some of mine. Thanks! Let's party! We hope you enjoyed our tasty treat of fabulous food hacks. What's your best food trick? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.